Dog, we just lost power in this motherfucking job, dog. I'm in the bathroom, dog. I'm in the motherfucking bathroom right now, dog. You think it's crucial, dog? We lost power at Wendy's, and we got to look at the motherfucking bathroom, dog. Shit's crazy, Manny. I love you, dog, but I ain't gonna roast your ass. Fernando, I love you too, dog. Everybody, I love y'all, dog. If I don't make it, dog, it's gonna be a problem, dog. Holla at your boy, ladies. Holla at your boy. Holla at me. If I die, I want some Cuddy before I die. Some more Cuddy. Betty, fat sack of shit. I'm gonna roast your big penguin nose ass, nigga. Bitch, you look like that. No, that is, that's a hand dryer, bitch. That's what you look like. Mike, you go, you're still not an 8. An 8. Hi, sweetheart. I'm gonna